I'm Said and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the SAR values between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. As you can see friends, so starting with the iQOO 3, iQOO 7 device and the Realme X1 Max device. Let's see friends, so which phone has got the really low values in terms of the SAR. So that is what I'm going to check right now side by side. So in case if you want to download this kind of wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. There is a playlist available for the wallpapers playlist. If you cannot find the link in the description, try to check the playlist in the list of playlists which is available. Try to scroll down and you will be able to find the wallpaper playlist, and you can download the all this kind of live wallpaper. So let's see friends, so one by one we'll try to check which phone has got what type of SAR values. So to find the SAR value in your mobile phone, you just need to type *#07# as you can see. So once you type those numbers, you will get this kind of SAR value which is in the iQOO 3 device. As you can see friends, this is iQOO 3, so which I just got yesterday for the 17,000 rupees. So make sure to check the playlist in case if you want to know more details. So let's move to the iQOO 7 device. This is the iQOO 7 device. Let's see how much is the iQOO 7 SAR value. So this is my first time doing this kind of test on the iQOO 7 as well in terms of the testing the SAR value. So I thought of comparing side by side. So instead of doing 3 videos, it will be 3 in 1 video. That is the reason. And yes, as you can see, these are the SAR values for the iQOO 7 device. Now let's check what are the values for the Realme X1 Max, and later I'll try to compare side by side which phone is kind of really low in terms of the SAR values. So right now, as you can see friends, this is all the 3 smartphone SAR values which we got right now side by side. Let me try to put side by side and then we'll be able to discuss. So right now let's compare friends all the SAR values side by side. Let me try to zoom it slightly. As you can see right now, I'm trying to zoom it into the SAR values. So now you can see friends side by side which phone has got the lowest SAR value. I think the iQOO 7 has got the lowest value. Here you can see 0.76 per kg. You can see here clearly friends. In the I think the iQOO 3 has got slightly lower, so which is a 0.5 in terms of the body weight, as you can see. So 0.5, and whereas in the Realme X1 Max, which has got about 1.09 as well, the maximum SAR value which they did mention on the top. And the next SAR value is about the ED SAR value. I think the lowest is in the iQOO 7 device in terms of the ED. In terms of the body, the iQOO 3 device. In terms of the ED, the iQOO 7 smartphone. So the Realme X1 Max has got 1.1 and 1.098. As you can see, slightly more SAR values than the iQOO 7 device at this point. You can clearly see friends, slightly more a little bit, but not much or too much. So average, you would say anything less than 1.6 would be kind of really good in terms of the SAR values, in terms of the body weight. That is what I'm going to compare. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick small video. I thought of just demonstrating you side by side, which might be really helpful because a lot of viewers are asking me this kind of question. How much is the SAR value for the iQOO 7 device? How much is the SAR value for Realme X1 Max? So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of side by comparison videos between all the smartphones, so which might be useful for most of the users. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.